Okay, everybody, we're gonna do a little cooking with Pete today. Looks like we got our grill nice and warm, and we got our bacon. We're gonna be cooking bacon on the barbecue today because it's just less messy. And so what I want to show you here is we got our bacon sheet here, and we got it double lined with foil and parchment paper. And the parchment paper is gonna absorb the bacon fat but still let it fry in there, and then the foil is going to kind of protect the pan there. And so we're just going to let that sit there for I don't know, about 10 minutes, and then we're going to come back and we're going to flip it. So again, bacon on the barbecue, cooking with Pete. Oh, if you want to know what I season them with, I put a little bit of ground pepper and some salt. But that's about it. Okay, so we're about 2 minutes in and 3 minutes in. Just want to show you. Looks kind of nice. It's starting to sizzle. Our bacon is extra thick today, not the normal bacon, behind the counter bacon. Okay, so it's time to flip our bacon. About like a minute early, but you see how it's like browning there near the edges? So that tells me it's about ready for a flip here. And so we're gonna flip it. You see how my edges over there, they're getting a little burned because I didn't rotate the pan. Usually around the 5-minute mark, you're supposed to rotate the pan, and I didn't do that. And so because I didn't do that, I got a little burned on the edges. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it now and rotate the pan. Because, you know, your grill is sometimes uneven. And as you can see, the other day I could have sworn it was the other way. But anyway, we'll just let that sit for, I don't know, maybe another 5 minutes, and then we'll check on it. Cooking with Pete. Okay, so you gotta check this out. You see how it's like bubbling? It's like frying on both sides. All right, I think that's the Maillard reaction they were talking about, but should be delicious. Okay, at this point, it's a little hot, so we could turn off the grill. Kind of don't need that grill anymore. Yep. And let's take a look at this guy. Okay, that looks great. Alrighty, here. So, see, nice and crispy on both sides. So let's just do one more flip here. And we got a little paper towel here. And yeah. Let's grab these guys from the end. A little crispy. A little on the crispy side. Oops. Okay. Oh. Okay. 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 Yeah, see, the backside's still okay, but like, I don't know, some a little more crispy than others. And okay, and then the other thing, we just let this thing here sit until it like solidifies. We'll close that lid, and we'll go show you what the finished product looks like. So what's gonna happen is this needs to cool down, and all that liquid that's over there from the frying process is gonna solidify, and then we're just gonna roll it up and throw it away in the trash. Okay, and here's our finished product. Nice and crispy. Here, let's grab one of these and take a look here. Break it off. Ooh, nice and crispy. Has a good crunch. Mmm. These are kind of thick pieces too. Not too burnt, I think. Very nice. Anyway, cooking with Pete. Signing off.